Hi, this is Eric from Smartwatch Authority, and we have another video for you with a B57. So up next is your heart rate data, and you will see a graph of your heart rate data, and when you long press, it will take you to the heart rate reading. Unfortunately, you can set it to take your heart rate automatically, but it will only take a heart rate reading when you go to the option or when you are tracking an activity. Someone asked if the heart rate reading is accurate. I would say it is an accurate reading, and when you are going on an activity, it has a few seconds delay before it displays an accurate heart rate reading. Next is the blood pressure monitor, which shows some blood pressure reading that we have tried before. And just like the heart rate reading, just long press on the option and it will start taking your blood pressure data. Many have asked whether the blood pressure reading is accurate. Well, unfortunately, it's not. Quite far off compared to the tabletop blood pressure monitor device. We had a video on that test, so we'll place a link in the description below if you'd like to watch that. Up next is the exercise tracking, so it can track your walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, and swimming. Since this is waterproof up to 1 meter and rated at IP67. We did a swim test on this, and if you want to know how it performs in water, you can check out the video in the link below. If you have any questions about the B57, feel free to comment them down below and we'll do our best to answer your questions.